Yes, people, welcome to Denbigh. Gross man, yeah. Man out, yeah. Where you sell bossy?
Denbigh show ground no boss. In real life. Water and juice we are selling at Denbigh show ground, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, all day today we're there. Denbigh show ground. Water and juice. So I say I patronize me, my boss. Patronize me, man, and buy something. Now what I done?
$5 grand, you can change
Water
it?
and juice. Yeah, man.
You sure you can change
Yes,
it?
my boss.
Alright,
Can't
$5
take
grand.
long to change.
Give me a water there, because you know.
Take up the one where you want, my boss. God
the
bless
water.
you. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Love how you come in and support the thing, my
Yeah, man,
boss.
have a support, man.
Yes, man.
Yes, people, with our Denbigh. Take a look. Yes, people, welcome to Denbigh. Gross man, yeah. Man out, yeah. Where you sell bossy?
Denbigh show ground no boss. In real life. Water and juice we are selling at Denbigh show ground, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, all day today we're there. Denbigh show ground. Water and juice. So I say I patronize me, my boss. Patronize me, man, and buy something. Now what I done?
$5 grand, you can change
Water
it?
and juice. Yeah, man.
You sure you can change
Yes,
it?
my boss.
Alright, $5
Can't take
grand.
long to change.
Give me a water there, because you know.
Take up the one where you want, my boss.
Give me
God
the
bless
water.
you. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Love how you come in and support the thing, my
Yeah, man, have a
boss.
support, man.
Yes, man.
Have a support, you know. What's the princess? Nah, man, you're not a picture, man.
Picture, man. Seal me all up. Who's that bottle water, sir?
Mama, come here, I'm trying to get to you.
Put another bag, nice side part for me then. Great, fast. Water, yeah. Put nice side part. Respect. Just give it in. Yes, people. Denbigh 2026. Yeah, yeah, fun. Gross. USJIS. Flowers, get the flowers here, sir, people. Buffalo soldier. And he's painting people. They charge me.
Collections.
Yeah, but me I send you go abroad, me I send you go in.
That's why I get something for you.
Abroad, me I send you, man.
That's why me forget
Everybody say something, man. Tell about your artworks, man. Tell something
You have a
about
benefit from it, you know.
tell something about your artworks,
You
man.
do, you have a benefit from it. Come on, I give somebody who can give better.
Yeah, man, give me somebody who can talk to the artworks.
One man want to talk to you about the artwork.
Tell about your artworks.
I want to send you off on later. He said I want to send you off on already.
Yeah, man, tell about your artworks. Start from the Buffalo soldier.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, me like that one there.
That one is from a screen print
Yeah, man,
that
like
I did.
That's my favorite. I don't know that.
Yeah, man, me like it, man. From the seat, I mean.
Yes, so that one is from a screen print that I did, and
Yeah.
of course it represents, of course, our Bob Marley, but also it represents reggae. So I did-
Rastafari.
Yes, so therefore I have this one, which is reggae. This, you can see that one in the background. That one is dancehall.
Dance all. One of the people who go closer and then come
Go
back.
ahead.
Whoops. See people.
And if you look in here, you'll see this one represents the gospel genre of music. This
Gospel
one.
genre.
Yes.
What do you talk when we see it now? Take a. Yeah. Yes, when you contact them, people can contact you when they want. You want to put it up in the screen. Yeah, people want to contact her for artworks. You can look up this number.
Yep.
Charmy and Jans.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's the email.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, I have to keep one. I'm going to keep one. The artwork looking good, man.
Yes. And of course we have another image from Toussaint.
Tushant. Who need
Yeah.
Tushant again?
From
Remind.
Haiti. He was like the
Oh, he was the one who did the rebellion against France.
yes,
France?
Yes.
You know, look at history
He
now.
brought independence to Haiti from such a long time ago.
Yes,
So,
yes. You're the one who did the rebellion.
yeah.
Yes. Have a look at history now. Have a little history about these stuff still, you know?
Yes. It's good for us to know this.
Yes, you have to go. Yeah, man.
Yes.
All right. So, nice meeting you, Miss Johnson.
Take care.
Okay,
Thank
all
you.
right then. Yeah, people see nice artwork.
You interested in? How much for it? Oh, you want it hard. So the price, yeah, is 1500. years ago. It's really nice. Yes, I have it. So that is melon. Yes. And if you're interested, I hope you come back. Before the day is done.
These people come to Shade.
And for the scroll, this is just have this. And I will four of the scrolls. Okay.
Liking the product? Liking the product?
Yeah, man, it smells good.
Okay,
It smells
good.
really good.
It smells really good.
Yeah. Smell like food, like watermelon.
Yeah, if you can smell it, I know that it is watermelon.
But tell us something about the product then now.
Alright, so my name is Shade. My brand is Shade Natural Beauty Essentials. So I do all natural products. So I have from shampoos and conditions to hair oils, body wash, vaginal products. I have melon body oil, which is my top seller. I have the scrub for it, and I also have the melon wash, which also looks like melon. So when you do that, you get like a melon kind of effect from it. Yes, and I have a set of the melon, and so I have like the oil, the scrub, and the wash.
So I
Also do natural soaps, so these can be used for any issues that you're having with the skin, whether it is irritation, exfoliating, anything like that. I have masks, I have purple toothpaste, castor oil at the back there, hair oils, so I burn in the dirt.
So tell the price range now.
So the price range, I have the body oils for 1,500.
This is for 1,500.
Yes.
See people.
So this one here is for 15. If you're buying the body oil and the scrub, you get it for 2,600. If you're buying the body oil, the scrub, and the wash, you get it for 3,600. So that's a very good deal.
Yes.
Separately, there will be $1,500 for each of these.
Nice discount.
Nice discount.
Nice discount. So people want to come and make your body feel good. And you will say again,
Shade's Natural Beauty Essentials.
Shade Natural Beauty.
And guys, you have to run on down and get your melon products from very early, because you see, once it goes into tomorrow, all of these will be sold off because they go very fast.
Hear that, people? Come on now.
Is no longer available. A quarter of the world is currently experiencing a water shortage.
we have Team Kildare, Team Canewood, Team Fruitful Vale, Team Port Antonio, Team Windsor, Team Mansionine. And we are playing a vegetable and fruit game. Our main player on the team just now is Scotch Bonnet, and also we're still doing right.
So Scotch Bonnet.
Yes.
And West Indian Red.
Yeah, man.
What is Dashin doing? Dashin is just a spectator?
These are just spectators.
Okay, okay. So we have avocado here. We have sweet pepper. And Portland, look like Portland have ripe banana down there.
Yes, we do. Remember, Portland is known for dasheen, banana, and plantains.
Oh,
And we do
okay.
have a lot of carrots as well.
Okay, nice, nice. I love this. I love this for Team Portland. So you think a Team Portland always? Right. Alright, so we're so cool. Alright, so big up team football.
Remember, you know, football unite the world, but agriculture feed the world. So that's what we are showcasing today. Thank you for coming to our family and do about you.
Alright. We're talking to Miss Boss. I think I need to come over and say something. I think we should say something about Portland before. Alright, so give me something about why you Portland.
can just go into the yard.
Oh.
Just tell me something. So what you have here? Just tell me about it.
So this display here is cooperative community effort. So these are the items done by the Charleston Maroon. So these are the indigenous group located in the town of Buffalo. So they make these items, so we buy them. So pretty much what they do is they eat from the land. Yeah, the lemongrass, the tea stuff, the habitat, they make the soap. So the animals, all of that.
Portland, I recognize the team Portland.
No man, on a serious note, Team Portland have to win this year. You know why? Because we have our Bosu soup right here, our heritage soup kit, and from our heritage soup kit, we have 7 different types of dumpling in there, right? Straight from the farm into the pot. We talk about healthy, you can't beat that, right? It is shrink wrap on the back of it, as you can see, right? It is shrink wrap to last 2 years. It has the pumpkin puree and it has seasoning, real Jamaican seasoning from the farm, the pepper, the scallion, the thyme, the pimento. Listen, it's ready. Tell any one of the other parishes them to come and meet us right here in Portland, right? It is the first gourmet meal in Jamaica and possibly in the Caribbean. Yes, to go from the farm to the freezer straight into the pot. Remember me tell you that. All right, Team Portland.
Yes, Team Portland. God. Team Portland, God.
Listen,
I love that.
we talk about security, sovereignty, you name it, right? Oh, and maybe ease up a little more. Half a go into this because not only that we're the first to do this in Jamaica, the soup, the gourmet meal. The shirt that I'm wearing is Jamaica's first visual language system out of many one people translate into fabric. And it's not only just for fabric, it's for tile, it's for everything, right, that you can possibly think of. Every culture is represented here. You see right in the center here, sir, where you have the marijuana and the cane, agriculture that again, as with our Denbigh, you understand me? So take a good look. First, everything. A Portland we say, listen, come. Make this happen.
Team Portland.
Team Portland. Listen, it was such an honor that the RADA community, the parish of Portland asked me to come and represent them here. It is totally awesome for me, right? I'm Nzinga Maitan. Check out my Instagram, TikTok, Boso. Check out Brand Boso. Listen, this is the debut for it, you know. So listen, we're looking now for it to go into supermarkets and for export. Get ready for the diaspora. You get what I'm saying? England, US, even Africa. Welcome. Here we go.
Tell me your Instagram page, I'm sorry.
Listen, Brand Boso.
Brand Boso.
Brand Boso. Scan. Listen, scan here, so you're able to
See people.
get my contact information right off the bat. See it here. Listen, you scan this also, you get all of the necessary information. You know what even make this more interesting? On the back of, listen, we have to talk up the things. You understand? What makes this even more interesting is that this is in honor of my great-great-great-grandmother, who I knew. She was born in 1845 and she died in 1985. 1844 she was born and she died in. So listen, as a child, I experienced my mom, grandmom, great-grandmom, and great-great-grandmom. So see, Laura Soko, Ashanti. You understand? She's from the Ashanti tribe. So
being in Portland is not just, okay, we're the first in everything. It is cultural. It is very important that I honor her. And my father Rasta, so you know him not eat meat and them thing there. So the infused dumpling with the vegetables and thing, I feel like a thing that from I was a child, I'm used to do that. So you know, so me I take it to the world. That is it.
It is it.
Oh, and then take it out. So you can even, it's not only for shirts, yeah? You can use it for plaques and all kind of stuff. It is just Jamaica, turn up. You understand? Portland mood, turn right up. Alright. Thanks for coming. I'm using the my turn.
I'll follow your page. I don't have any service now, but you can, if you have service.
Just keeping us St. Mary. St. Mary product. Yes, people, they say banana scarce. You want banana, come. St. Mary, where's the vase? Yeah, I'm going to stop here, I'm going to stop right here. Where's the banana scarce? No banana right here, so. So you need a banana here. There's people at the St. Catherine Pavilion right now. There's people. Ah. Tell something about the product, of pretty lady. Tell something about your product. Tell something about your product.
I beg your pardon?
Tell something about your product.
Oh, hi, I'm Camille from J.A. Blends and Spices. It's an agro-processing company operated from our family farm, HMH Farms, Bushy Park, Old Harbor. It's a woman-owned and operated business. We support our local farmers. We buy all our ingredients from our local farmers. Everything is natural, blended, dehydrated, and placed in a bottle. We specialize only in dry materials, no wet seasoning. These are all our value-added products from the farm. We have mild jerk seasoning. We have the hot and spicy jerk seasoning. We have the Scotch bonnet pepper powder. Only Scotch bonnet pepper is involved in this. And we have our curry powder. We have a special blend, which is our Scotch bonnet pepper powder, garlic with parsley. No salt is involved in this. Right? Then we have our curry seasoning in 2 sizes. And we have our logwood honey. You can view more or learn more about us from J.A. Spices on Instagram. We're also on TikTok, same name.
This is the scan people, the scan right here. There's people. What is that? Tell about the product now. Tell about the product. Tell about the product. Curry goat.
Hi, we are focused, we are doing canned products, mostly soups. We are doing today red peas, pepperpot, and the managed water. So for the tasting, we have the red peas right now and the managed water. And we're all based in St. Catherine. We are all locally made. Everything with ingredients, all the materials locally.
This is the red peas.
Red peas, yes. We also do the
Curry goat. This is what I really miss Jamaica fruit cake. Is there a cake?
Yes.
Tell something about your cake.
All you added is 3 eggs, 6 ounces butter, melted butter in the packets. You have a wet and dry mix. When you're baking, you can add more alcohol. It bakes in 35 minutes. Very convenient.
Okay. What are the flavors of them?
Huh?
The flavors.
Oh, it's the same thing. It's just that one is chopped. So the fruits is chopped. This one, it is puree. So it's a smooth blend.
Okay, okay.
Right. So it's the same great taste. You can try something if you want.
Can you try some? It having rum?
Yes, but not over pouring. You can add more if you want.
Okay. We support our Jamaican people, our own.
bars right here.
Wow, that's when I turn up. Peter going. Yes, people see Trelawney Pavilion. Normally they have areas are each of the areas that they different displays. You learn more from each of the
That's a square right here, or half acre.
find his birthday, pumpkin his birthday people.
Going to come on.
I have never been started. I mean walk and show beautiful things, people and places. I mean walk and narrow down driving people. Say you walk, you know a little bit of mountain, Jamaica in a slow motion. Check out them on this channel. I show them on this. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Fruits, peanut, corn,
yeah, man.
everything.
As we said, we narrow down the driving.
Yeah.
So for all of the persons who decide, say, well, you know the place already.
We want more, the more better.
But when you drive, a little bit of view you see. So when me walk, it's like me in a slow motion thing. I'm going to show you them slow motion. Yeah, man. So check out everybody's travels and you see all the slow motion videos inside of Jamaica.
Yes, people.
And, anyway, the incident, every time that an incident inside of Bagua, I will be there representing. Check that out too.
Ever blessed travel people.
Yeah, man. And we check out all of the rivers too.
Yeah.
Especially like now the time when the sun is sunning, we find the water so you can show you where you can go cool down.
Yes,
check me out there.
Yes.
Big up yourself, my brother.
Yes,
it's a pleasure linking up
yes,
with you
people,
today.
visit Ever Best Travel.
Yeah.
They want to walk the place, walk the whole Jamaica. Trelawney. Yes, people, we're at Kingston and St. Andrew. Yes, princess. Good day. Tell about the product now, please. Tell about the product now, please.
Huh?
The product.
Oh, the product? I should tell you about the product?
Yeah.
Oh, we are Trumpet Tree Coffee Factory, and we sell both, we export coffee to other countries such as Japan and America. We also sell our whole bean and roasted ground in different sizes, different pounds. Like take a look. This is our whole bean, and this is our roasted ground coffee. We also have a brand new product on the market. It is our coffee tea bag. Yes, you heard that right, fellas? Our coffee tea bag. You don't need a percolator to make it. Put it in a cup, add your hot water, your cream and your milk, your sugar, even add chocolate, anything you want to add to it, and you're good to go. And that is about
What is the price range?
Huh?
What's the price range?
Okay, so you get 10 sachets in a box for $1,000 just for today. In the supermarket, it's a little more expensive.
Okay.
But just for today, it's $1,000 for 10 sachets. And this is our half-pound rounded coffee. This is for $2,400. And we also have our half-pound bean coffee, which is $2,500. Yes. And then we have our 1 pound whole bean coffee, which is $5,200. We have our 1 pound roasted and grounded coffee, which is for $5,000.
That's the top shelf. That's the top
Top
shelf.
shelf, yes, top
shelf.
shelf. This is one of our most
Top seller.
popular products.
So that's the top seller.
Top seller, top shelf.
Okay.
Grounded one.
Yeah, that is roasted and grounded.
In the bottle with rice. That's getting the bottle sometimes.
The
Coffee that's bottle.
bottle.
Yeah.
There's people at the Westmoreland Pavilion.
The rest can be well.
Right now. Dragon fruit. Fruit salad? You say a fruit salad? A fruits? Yeah.
Dragon fruit. Stall. Come on. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
Show the health benefits.
Right down there.
Say what they are.
collagen, so you have cholesterol levels, iron. So if you have iron deficiency, that's good for it. And also skin health, because teenagers to amplify it, basically.
And here is the dragon fruit drink. $250 per bottle. Yes, lowers blood sugar, lowers cholesterol. Here you are, ma'am. You can send me no sales. You know. One you want? Give me some water. Take for what? Yes. Where are you from? Oh, wait. How up? You better change.
The first resident fruits here right now.
You don't work, you know. I told you once. Yeah, man. Yes, it lowers aging. You want to look young like me? Dragon fruit and the drink. You want to taste it, man? Come down in. You want to taste the fruit? I'd love to taste it. Dragon fruit, $250 per bottle.
Dragon fruits.
$1,000 per bottle. So
One of them weigh 1 pound.
get one choice.
One pound.
What is this? I can't find that. I can tell it all. You have to taste it. Here's the juice. $250 per bottle.
Come on, taste the juice, man. It tastes good.
Nah, the juice is
Let's be for dragon fruits.
Yeah, dragon fruit.
Everything.
Yeah. Good man. Yeah, man. Very good man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Welcome. Sir.
All right, thanks.
Yeah,
Very good.
I'm going to come on this way for you to say you don't want to dragon fruit.
Don't tell me say fell it off. Glad. Me not here.
Checking about his prices. Yeah, done. Me have $1 million already. You come and see something you can buy.
Yes, we are St. James.
Yeah, we do it now. Alright then. Alright. Yeah, man, alright. So one more round now with a fresh set, and then when you win, you get the prize. That's how that will go. Yeah, man, you feel bad there. No, man, you're not get the point. We want to see. Next level you reach now, you know. Okay. We understand. Alright. So if the dead and show, you the dead and show. Let me know you come to play or you come to talk business. Which one? Alright, submarine. Alright, so what they must say now, you have to go on easy and we're going to get one winner now for the first set. Yes, good. So we need one more domino player now. Yeah? Alright, good to go. So you have you. Alright, good. So the winner are going to move to the next round. Good to go. Load the boat. How do you load the boat still? Right, go on. What you say for your brother now, submarine? Why submarine have to come and come get trouble now? I don't have trouble saying you. I don't have waters, man. They waters. Good to go. What you say stay now? Load the boat, how you stay? Alright, the promoter, big man ball game. Stewie, DJ Stewie, pick up yourself now, please. I hear time again now. See them.
Yes, people, see people in colors, come out in Jamaican colors.
Beetroot plants expand their leaves. These leaves are vital for photosynthesis, fueling the growth of the root below. Beneath the soil, the beetroot begins to swell. This is where the plant stores nutrients, forming the whole as a beetroot. After about 50 to 70 days from planting, the beetroot reaches maturity. Depending on the variety, the beetroot needs to be 1 to 3 long with broad and considerable areas of color. This kind of thriving beetroot production can be seen in the New Forest community of Manchester, where local farmers nurture crops from
That is a good one. Each active remember, spend $3,000 in a new basket.
All right, my girl, and my girl. All right, what's your name? One more time. Answer. You wanna end? Let me get no more. Aria Willis. All right, teacher, we're gonna run the sun one more time for the four girls. We're gonna see how the winner. All right, give them some space. All right, move. All right. Thank you, everybody. Round of applause, please. They did so good. All right. We're gonna have a nice activity coming soon. Trust me, it's just begun. And we have a winner for the dance out today. All right, courtesy of Grace Kennedy. Thank you for participating. Thank you, Mama. All right. Let's sweeten the pot. We have first and second. All right. We have winner and runner-up. One. We have a run-back. No, we have a run-back. One more. Run it, sure. All right. Run it. We are going to vote. Is it her? No. Is it her? No. Is it her? Yeah. All right. We have our winners. Thank you for participating. Give them a round of applause again, everybody. They did so good. All right. Courtesy of Grace. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Welcome to JAS Kiddies Village. We have another one coming right now. Another activity right now. Don't go nowhere. And everybody say, cheese. Cheese. 2. Go. Music. The one with the longest is the winner. Watch it, everybody, watch it. Who can whoop the longest? Who can whoop? Why? Judge! Who can whoop? Courtesy of Exception, the gift basket. The longest is the winner. The one who keep it the longest is the winner. The team that keep doing the hula hoop the longest is the winner. Alright. We see a smart one. Alright. Yes. We don't have to be like yes. Yes. It have to be the weirs. It have to be the weirs. Who's gonna win the prize? Who do I watch? Me I watch Twitter. Me I watch. Not working, not working. We're not all opening the right way.
So the for a big, for a really big man. Really big.
Just eat and lay down.
See the belly.
This is one pound three. 3 pound 3 and total traded as 6 pounds. Yeah.
Hold on for the camera, man. Take a picture of me and the cow.
Hold on, the one there.
Yes, don't cow.
Hello, Mr. Cow, don't bump me.
No, it's up on it already. Video on that. Video go on already, man. Just, all you have to point it for me and Mr. Brown. Okay. Good to go. Here you go. Thank you. Come on, no problem.
Every time I touch a cow now. Touch a cow, man. Touch a cow.
tomorrow, August 2nd. Bye!
Okay, thanks. Yes, people. Mic is on. Yes, people, so that code big. Yes, people, we have some piglet right here. Yes, people, can tell me which one of them go to go win. Which one of them go to go win. Tell me if this goat are sheep. Hello? Of course. Yes, people. We are Denbigh 2026. Today is the second day. So we have another day tomorrow. Tomorrow Sunday to attend. So people come out. Come out in the numbers and support. Support the Jamaican farmers. Jamaican brand. Come people, come Jamaican, support Denbigh 2026. Support the farmers, support the brand, Jamaica. Hiya job. Yes, my subscriber. Tell me if this is sheep or goat. They come like one sheep right here, so mixed with goat. This right here is a big ram goat. Yes, my subscriber, you can see these goats are very clean. Like a pot. Smelling good. Man, goat them clean like a whistle. Oh, you admire the goat them, sir? Oh, you admire the goat them like that? Eh? You like the animals? They look good, man. Look very good. You know, I don't see him, so. See, look at that, them though. Yes, my subscriber. You can see these goats. These goats are very clean. Trust me. These goats are well bred. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. What them have all fun in them place. These goats are living their life. See my subscriber. Got this big ram. And take a look at that ram over there. See that big ram? Same big. So that ram is very big and huge. You can see him and the master right here, you know. Him and the I rule the pen, you know. Watch him. The 2 foot. One igloo. I run the place, man. I feel in place. Watch him cock up in foot. Watch him. Yes, people. Denbigh. Yes, Denbigh. 2026. Please come out tomorrow and support. Yes, people. One whole day at Denbigh. Yeah, it's time to go home now. It's time to hit the road. Time to hit the road. So please, I'm asking people, please like and subscribe. Please. People, look on this massive cow. This cow is so huge. Monster. This cow is so huge. Yes, people, they are Denbigh. Look at this big cow. This cow is so huge. So I'm asking all of my subscribers them to please like and subscribe. So that's me and the cows them, you know? Yeah. Denbigh 2026. Supposed to. Yeah, I said about the cow there, they look pretty. Yeah, man, cow they look pretty.
It's right. It's right. When you get you can't come prices right. How much money for the club? How much money for the club? How much money for the club? 19? Should have finished when you go to the journey, man. But you should feel like a councillor for a road boy. But you should feel like a English for a road boy. 30 seconds, you've got. Alright, stop it, Mitch. Hold on there. Stop it, Mitch. Hear me, I say no. You think it right. You think it right. You know what right. The submission right. Or you think this right. Or you think this right. She said road boy for $410. Me that lock you up if I'm the government. You're wrong. 250. See? So the road boy gone. She said the Carver's fruit punch is for $720. She's correct. So you get this right. So that is 1 out of 4. If you get 3 out of 4, make you something. She said the surge milk is for $410. For $400. You're wrong. It's for $410. Yes. No. No. You get that wrong. So you got 2 wrong. She said the separation is for $250. She wrong. It's for $800. Oh, sorry. She's correct. So she got 2. 2 and which half. This the count. You understand? No, sir. It have to precise. The game is called what, people? Price is right. Out of the 2, out of the 4, she only got 2 correct. You understand? Yeah, man. That is it. Big up yourself, my friend. You understand me? I say thanks for participating. 4 different items that come out here, 4 different prices. Who want to participate? Who want to participate? But think more a child this time. But think more a child have chance this time. Huh? No child? Have to be different products. Yeah, man, different products don't come. But look here. Look here now. Yeah, sweat. What me talk, my show something. What me talk, my show something. I'm going to show you the fun. You might see it and think of something for clear. You might show you that in your bag and say, but I'm going to use it. What me talk, you see. Watch out, boy. Find yourself. Whoa. You see that? Beautiful. All about CPJ. Big up yourself, my friend. Yeah, man. Yes. Yes. Anybody can speak about search milk? We have to can DJ about search milk. Everything I'm going to say, we have to say about search milk. And it have to clean it. It have to clean like my clothes. Yeah, man. It have to clean like my clothes. That little girl that came here last year and she win a whole heap of something. You want to win something this year again? You want DJ something? You want DJ something about search milk? Him look like an artist. Him come from Clarendon. You come from Clarendon, Rock River. Round the sun. Are you? Frankfield. Eh? Chowtal. Wait name Chowtal? Chowtal. Crooked River. Penance. Chapelton.
afraid to be able to
Yeah, man, don't make nobody keep coming. Yeah.